Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the White University. In this video, I will teach you how we can insert data into a database using Python. So first and foremost, you must install the MySQLi connector. That's a module specialized in making connections to your database. Okay, and then you need a sample data. In case I'm gonna use an array, this array can be generated from a device such as a POS, and you would want to insert it into your database. So this is the array. Let's say the name of the person is Alice, so there is a certain number 25 and 50, okay, to be inserted in the database, and there are a bunch of them, and we close the array here. Next is we are going to connect and establish connection to the database. Here I will leave it as blank because it's personal. Okay. So what you would do if you have this code is to just put the proper details. What's your host name, username, your password, and the name of the database that you're going to use. So next is we're going to create a cursor object. Then a function that will insert this array of data into our database. Here we go. So it's like an SQL command. So we have the insert into YTU POS, that's the name of the table, and these are the columns to be filled. You have the product, the quantity, and the subtotal, and then the DT, which is the timestamp, and its values are as follows. So it will come from an array, so I write it like this. So you need the current timestamp. It will be automatically performed by the MariaDB, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so you're going to cursor that execute many, okay, SQL, and then the data. Next is you will write con.commit. So insert the data from the array into the database, insert user data, and then we are going to close the connection. Okay, so save it. So I've run this program before, and it's okay. So I have here the database, and you will see that I have a table named YTU POS, and these are the data that I've inserted using the same code. What I'm gonna show you is to reinsert some data using these codes again. So I have 3 data here, and if I'm gonna add more, then it should be more than 3. So let's run it. So you just click this one, and when it says done, we go back to the database and check. So we check the database, and here we just click refresh, and you see data has been inserted. Okay, if you want more of these, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get updated whenever I post new videos like this. Bye! See you once again here in the YT University. See you next time!